What a piece of effrontery and audacity by Real Madrid enforcer, defender, and captain Sergio Ramos after that most infamous clinch in the Champions League final, where Ramos tangled with Mohamed Salah, ending up in the dislocation of Salah's shoulder, with the Liverpool talisman having to leave the final in tears, and Liverpool going on to lose that final. That incident happened in May of this year. Tempers don't even cool yet. The wounds are not yet healed. And in comes Sergio Ramos at the European Awards ceremony today, after collecting his European Defender of the Year award. On his way back to his seat, Ramos was bright and out of order enough to tap the Liverpool baller on his shoulder. And not only was he disrespecting the man, Ramos did it with a smirk and a smile on his face, almost as if he was taunting Mo Salah. I said, oh, me mash you up and me beat up your side and me just collect me big award and you know we nothing. To Salah's credit, he never even looked at Ramos, much less to react. But you know, say, if I'm me personally, as a top player in the big Champions League final, and a guy do me that, and cost me and my team the ultimate prize in club football, and then him come mock me with a pat on my shoulder. Me not lie. With his documented history of doing me physical harm, me would have said my shoulder and my life are in danger, and me a knock out that. He self-defense.